Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Photoshop, and this is Hezra. So right now I'm going to tell you the function of the eyedropper tool. So the eyedropper tool is a tool that can copy the color that you want. For example, if I will use my brush tool, you can press letter B on your keyboard, and if I'm going to use it, I'm using the color green for my foreground color. If I'm going to change that, and if I'm going to click this one and I found this color is suitable to my next painting, if I'm going to do this, I really don't get the exact uh, color for that. So all you need to to do is to select your eyedropper tool. But if you're going most of the time, if you're going to select this, for example, if you're going to select this little box on your foreground color, if you're going to select it, the eyedropper will automatically appear, and you can select your the color that you want, that you will be using for your painting. For example, I want this color. I will click it and it will copy the exact color, and I will press OK, and now I can paint. I already changed my color. But if you want uh, just if you want to do it in easy way, uh, just click this or press as what I've said earlier. Just press uh, letter I from your keyboard and click the color that you want, and after clicking it, the color will will appear here, and you can use your brush to paint and to use the exact color that you want. Alright, so that's the the function of the eyedropper tool. So if you have any comments, just leave it and share my video, or leave some comments. Thank you.